Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your name in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu. From here, which is going to profile, and then tap on manage your account, then on personal details, and then name. Here we can type in our first name and last name, and then if we are done we can just tap on save. The app is going to give us like the supposed name after we sign up with our email, but we can correct it and we can give something else here, just this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.